Alrighty, boys and girls. This is my 1985 K5 Blazer. Absolutely love it. Sad to sell it, but I'm moving out of the country. Probably gone for a few years, so it's time. This is what I call V8 therapy. When I'm feeling a little down, feeling a little blue, just, I get out here and I drive. Get the windows down, music up. It's got a brand new 1,700 mile crate engine, 350. Came from, I don't know, Jags or somewhere. And let's go ahead and do a cold start. See the interior, it's got new vinyl seats, diamond plate panels, got a music system, new head unit, and I got some subs, a pair of Kicker 12-inch subs. Yeah, hear that bad boy rumble. Got dumps from the exhaust. I took the restrictor plates off just because I like it sounding mean and nasty. Oh yeah, somebody take this home. She's a beaut. And I did pop the hood, so it'd be easier to hop up in here. Got a polycarb, Edelbrock, and Alright, the damage. So it's not perfect like all these, but it is pretty. It got caught up in a hailstorm, got dinged up pretty good. There's some paint damage here on the hood, spot right there. Over here, some oxidation, a little bit there, a little bit there. You see some, you see the little hail dings. So it's got a little oxidation on that part, and some of the clear coat has peeled. And on top, you can see me try to climb in this thing.